Hello and welcome to this video on speed, time and distance. This is what a typical speedometer looks like. Distance is in kilometers and speed is in kilometer per hour. That's distance covered per unit time or distance upon time, right? So kilometer is for distance and hour is for time, and we can write the formula as distance is equal to speed into time, or speed is equal to distance upon time and time is equal to distance upon speed. Now all the questions from this topic, I repeat, all the questions from this topic can be solved using just the formula distance is equal to speed into time. But sometimes it makes a solution lengthy, which otherwise could be solved just like that if you knew some direct results. So everything else that we'll see in this topic will be an extension or result derived from this formula only. Distance is equal to speed into time.
It is important to keep units in mind while applying this formula. If distance is in meter and time is in hour, speed will be in meter per hour, which you can convert to kilometer per hour, as you know that 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Okay, and here are some other conversions that might come handy while solving questions. Pause and go through them one by one. Now, for example, you wish to convert 1 kilometer per hour to meter per second. Now 1 kilometer per hour means 1 kilometer in 1 hour. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters and 1 hour is 60 minutes. And each minute, each of those 60 minutes is of 60 seconds. So 1 hour is 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. So the fraction reduces to 5 upon 18. So 1 kilometer per hour is 5 upon 18 meter per second. And 72 kilometer per hour will be 72 into 5 upon 18, that is 20 meter per second, and so on and so forth. One more interesting conversion is this one. So 1 kilometer per hour is 5 upon 18 meter per second, and 72 kilometer per hour will be 72 into 5 upon 18, that is 20 meter per second, and so on and so forth. One more interesting conversion is this one. 10 millimeters make a centimeter, 10 centimeters make a decimeter, 10 of watts on the left makes 1 of watts on its immediate right. Okay, so if I ask you how many millimeters are there in a kilometer, that will be 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, in total 6 times. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 raised to 6 millimeters. And to remember the sequence, it's pretty easy. Add some music, some beatboxing, and you can make a rap out of it. Let's see how. Check. Millicentidecimeter, decahectokilometer. Repeat. Check. Millicentidecimeter, decahectokilometer. Let's solve a few questions. We'll also solve a few CAT questions as well using just the formula distance is equal to speed into time.